Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your First Citizens Bank card step by step clearly. First, take your new First Citizens Bank card out of the envelope and keep any paperwork nearby. Check the front of the card to confirm your name is correct and the card is not damaged. Turn the card over and locate the activation instructions and the customer service phone number. Find the security code on the back and note where the signature panel is located. Sign your name on the signature panel using a permanent PIN before you use the card. Make sure you have your social security number last 4 digits or other verification details available. Also keep your billing zip code and the phone number on your account ready for verification. Decide which activation method you want to use, phone activation or online/mobile activation. For phone activation, call the activation or customer service number printed on the back of your card. When prompted, choose the option for card activation from the automated menu. Enter your card number when the system asks for it. Provide the expiration date and any additional details the system requests. Verify your identity by entering the requested personal information, such as zip code or last 4 of SSN. Create or confirm your card PIN if the system gives you the option, and choose a PIN you can remember. Wait for the confirmation message that your card has been successfully activated. If you prefer online activation, open the official First Citizens website in a secure browser. Sign in to your online banking account, or select the option to enroll if you have not registered yet. Navigate to the Card Management or Account Services section after you log in. Select the option that says Activate Card or Manage Debit or Credit Card. Enter your card details exactly as shown, including the card number and expiration date. Complete any identity verification step, such as a one-time passcode sent to your phone or email. Submit the activation request and wait for the on-screen confirmation that activation is complete. If you are using the mobile app, open the First Citizens app and sign in securely. Go to Cards or Account Services, then tap the option to activate your new card. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity and finalize activation in the app. After activation, make a small purchase or ATM balance inquiry to confirm the card works. Set up alerts in online banking to track purchases and improve security right away. Store your card in a safe place and never share your PIN or verification codes with anyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.